Hello, kids! Today we're going to be learning words and phrases in texts. In this lesson, you are expected to read familiar words and phrases in texts. Words are composed of letters, while phrases are formed by combining words together. Let us read the words and phrases below. Group A, park, girl, tree, flag, table, mask, journey, car, clock. Group B, in the park, beautiful girl, huge tree, colorful flag, on the table, wearing a mask, long journey, new car, old tower clock. What can you say about the words listed in groups A and B? Are there differences between the words in groups A and B? How do the two groups differ? Items in Group A are called words, while items in Group B are known as phrases. Words. Letters are combined together to form words. Words vary in terms of length and number of letters. There are short and long words. Examples of words are beautiful, woman, dress, disease, alcohol, medicine. Phrases. Phrases are formed by combining words together. These phrases may provide descriptions or ideas about a particular topic or subject. Examples are my black dress, beautiful girl, at the canteen, blue tent. Learning Task 1. Read the poem below. Identify if each underlined item is a word or a phrase. Write your answers in your notebook. Trees. By Joyce Kilmer. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet, flowing breast. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair. A pond whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. Identify if each underlined item is a word or a phrase. Let's check your answer. Number 1. The underlined word, think, is a word. Number 2. Lovely as a tree. Phrase. Number 3. Hungry mouth. It is a phrase. Number 4. Sweet flowing breast. It is a phrase. Number 5. God. It is a word. Number 6. Her leafy arms. It is a phrase. Number 7. Summer. It is a word. Number 8. S in her hair. It is a phrase. Number 9. Snow. It is a word. Number 10. Lives. It is a word. Number 11. Poems. It is a word. Number 12. A tree. It is a phrase. Did you get it right? Very good. Learning Task 2. Read the story below. Identify if each underlined item is a word or a phrase. Write your answers in your notebook. The Ants and the Grasshopper, by Aesop. One bright day in late autumn, a family of ants were bustling about, in the warm sunshine, drying out the grain they had stored up during the summer, when a starving grasshopper, his fiddle under his arm, came up and humbly begged for a bite to eat. "What?" cried the ants in surprise. "Haven't you stored anything away for the winter? What in the world were you doing last summer?" "I didn't have time to store up any food," whined the grasshopper. "I was so busy making music that before I knew it, the summer was gone." The ants shrugged their shoulders in disgust. "Making music? Were you?" they cried. "Very well, now dance." And they turned their backs on the grasshopper and went on their work. Identify if each underlined item is a word or a phrase. Let's check your answer. Number 1. In late autumn. It is a phrase. Number 2. Warm sunshine. It is a phrase. Number 3. Fiddle. It is a word. Number 4. A bite. It is a phrase. Number 5. To store up. It is a phrase. Number 6. Summer. It is a word. Number 7. Shoulders. It is a word. Number 8. Making music. It is a phrase. Number 9. Their backs. It is a phrase. Number 10. Work. It is a word. Did you get it right? Very good. In your notebook, complete the paragraph by selecting the appropriate answers from the given choices below. Here are the choices. Phrases, words, and number. Letters are combined together to form a blank. Words vary in terms of length and blank of letters. Meanwhile, blank are formed by combining words together. Let's check your answer. Letters are combined together to form a word. Words vary in terms of length and number of letters. Meanwhile, phrases are formed by combining words together. Did you get it right? Very good. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. See you next time, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. LENZCHI Official.